Okay, so a little update on the bus. One of the reasons why I haven't done much is I'm waiting on parts. Okay, so I have so I mounted the radiator back in, and these are about 1 inch in diameter, but the main hose going back to the engine is 1.25 inches. So obviously I had to get these, I found these cool silicone step up little elbows. So obviously it's bigger on one side, smaller on the other, and I thought it'd be great being that it's in an angle. However, I may have to cut a little bit to make it fit better, because obviously you can see how it's sticking up. And the problem is these, just be careful on Amazon, because the picture they had showed it as something like only 1/3 of the length. This is 6 freaking inches. How am I supposed to make a bend from here to there while there's another freaking hose going? Ain't gonna happen. So I'm waiting on parts. So until then, I don't really want to start her up and lose more coolant and whatnot. You know, she's an old girl. What the freaking thing? Oh, I thought somebody was behind me. It was just a freaking door that keeps coming back. Oh, for the love of God. Push this back. Oh, it's the other way around. Now, see, I know in one of my videos, I think it was the link up here, is the top 10 weird facts. I know I said this is factory. I'm starting to think that maybe it's not. I know for a fact this portion is factory. Up until where you can see the color change. Up until this point, this is a factory window. So is this. This is also factory. You have these markings, but then all of a sudden you got this weird material. And the biggest indicator. Now, probably a lot of you guys may not be aware of how these bus doors work. Now, you see there's a lip. This one, I have no idea. This is not from a DAC bus. Okay, so here you see it. You see on one side it's coming on the outside, but on the rear it's on the inside. Why? Okay, so when the door closes, they don't both close at the same time. This one closes first, then this one closes on top. And it's supposed to line up a little bit better. But now you can see with this lip on top, it keeps the air from shoving itself inside. If they were opposite, like if this one closes first and then this one, and you're going to see there's a huge gap. Now obviously it wouldn't be that bad because these are opposite. But that's the way they're supposed to close. Now the same applied here. You had this door that closed, and then this one went on top, right? But if you have this door blocked off, then you would have to reverse these. And that's probably why this is something that's not stock. This is not a DAC bus part. And I think they did that just so it can open up easier while this part was blocked off. So, conclusion, I think this bus did not have this stock enclosure. So yeah, I think that's not stock. So, in the meantime, I'm still looking for that piston over there. I did manage to score a couple other components. But we'll see. I think I got somebody that might be going to pick up that part. Anyways, so I just wanted to give you a little update on the bus. I know a lot of you guys, let's face it, you follow the channel not because of car stuff, but it's the bus stuff. However, if you're one of those, one of those people that don't care about the cars, ask yourself why. Is it because of it's like a status thing? Come on, I drive that piece of junk Ranchero and I love it. I don't care. So, it's fun. So, come on, join us. We got cookies and sockets. So this is our DAC man Barry, and I hope you have a great ride.